Sorry, when I get stressed, I burp. I feel terrible. No doubt about it.
Whoa.
Okay. Cool! When you ran away from home, did you ever do that?
Obviously.
First time you fell off your broomstick and everyone saw your bloomers. First surprise party. First tickle. First kick in the butt. Bobbing.
Haley, shh.
Oh, really, Dad? Oh, really? That looks better than what I made.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I am stuffed.
Brown, Pam. That color is called champagne.
Ugh, I can't believe I ate both Tupperwares of calamari.
Sorry.
Now go. I need a nap.
Take that, suckers. Ew. Well, this is the real me.
I know, right? It's all about converting fire to fuel.
Which woke up Perla.
Malandi.
I mean, Japanese fire rainbow fudge? Who cares? You did! I can't!
I have butterflies in my stomach. Not just the ones I had for lunch.
Yeah, we ate a little something on the way over. Oops, pardon me.
I'm good.
Chris? Megan? Gross. You guys must be excited.
Ugh, not at all. Wow, there was more in there than I thought.
Yes, we do.
I have no idea what we're supposed to be doing, but...
私の胃袋の中にサンドイッチがあるので許してください。